Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news source on YouTube. Look, there's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing. If you don't like those things, well, you've been warned. Here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everyone. My name's Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes, indeed. All right. I still love saying that. All right, guys. So look. All right. I spilled some water on myself. All right, look. All right, yeah, we have a great show for you today. Naturally, it's the greatest show on earth. So look. Here you go, Cardano hodlers. I know 90% of you guys have Cardano. So here it comes. The Shelley launch is booyah. Booyah. A success. And we're going to talk about it. Some of the new features, and it's going to be rolled out in some phases. So we're going to talk about the phases and the features. Yes, that's what we're going to do around there. Oh, yes. And then we got money talk. Oh, and there's some great money talk right here. So Mike Novogratz, he's sort of our favorite CEO around this channel. When he talks, I report it sometimes. But because he used to be an actual real banker guy, so he's not just some crypto guy. So that's why I have respect. So that's why I read. But look, Mike Novogratz, crypto options contracts are coming out. Yep. More liquidity. I'll explain that. I'll explain options a little bit, but they're complicated. So that's definitely something you're going to have to read on Investopedia for yourself. So like I said, if you're new here, always have Investopedia bookmarked. So when I'm talking, you can search some terms you might not understand, all right? I'm a 19-year investor, so I talk like that. So look. And I can't just be explaining everything every single day. So look. And then finally, why is all this money? Oh, speaking of which, yes, we're at 10,000 something right now as I speak to you. It is now 3:51 a.m. Look. On June 22nd, 2019. Yes. And so why is all this money coming from? Where is it coming from? Well, institutions where it's coming from. Look, we're going to talk to you about the Bitcoin futures have hit an all-time high. Yes. So look, let's begin how we begin, brothers. Bang, look. Bang, yes. And then, see the price already? Let's do a quick refresh. Bang, all right. Bang, yes, indeed. So the price of Bitcoin right now is $10,712. Bang, bang, bang. And when I left you last night, it was $9,714. So it went up $1,000 and 2 cents. Yes. Oh, no, sorry. $1,002. My bad. $1,002. Great. Now, you know me. I'm not a fan of these $1,000 bangs. But like I told you guys about, I taught you guys, about round numbers, right? Those are in the markets. Those are round numbers are the psychological areas of support and resistance. And so like when you're reaching a round number, you'll see price struggles to get through it. And then once you get through the round number, bang, it goes to the next round number. So I don't know if Investopedia will explain round numbers. That's kind of an insider thing. But round numbers. So for instance, for Bitcoin, because it's so big and volatile, the round numbers are 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000. Do you see that? How it goes? And that's the round numbers for Bitcoin because it's just, that's how it is. Those are going to be those are the psychological areas of support and resistance. It's just how the human mind works. Anyway, and so we just broke through 10,000 and then, whoa, we went all the way up to the 7 now. And so I don't really like these $1,000 gains like this in a day, but because it's after a round number, 10,000, we'll see, but it's probably sustainable. You know what I mean? It's probably just the psychological breaking of the 10. I'll tell you what, there were probably a bunch of guys who had buy orders right after 10, driving price up. And I'm sure, if you were short the market, you got burned. All right. So let's just begin our stuff and get our stuff going. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Bitcoin, usual suspects of the day. Yes. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, Tether, and Stellar. Bang. Yours. Well, Market moves of the day. Well, still single digits, but yes. Well, it's just still single digits up to single digits down, but healthy single digits. A little healthy on the healthy side. Yeah, so look at that Bitcoin, a nice old 10%. And that's what I meant by the power of back in the days, not back in the days, I guess, right back in November, I've been telling you guys large caps, because even though, Bitcoin moved 10%, yeah, but it's $1,000, motherfucker, right? 10% on Bitcoin is $1,000 in one day, right? And Ethereum too, like the 7%. I don't know how much that is, but I remember it was at two something last night, wasn't it? 270 something or something. So that's what's nice. They make big moves, right? Off of a little price move, right? All right, whatever, man. Who gives a shit about that? All right, single digits up, single digits down, brothers. All right, let me get some fuel. Oh, yeah, a second. Oh, what's this? What does that say? I've never seen that before. Sparkline. What does that mean? Anyway, fuck, who gives a shit, man? It's none of our business. Oh, the chart just didn't, I get it, just didn't open up. All right, my bad, guys. All right, let's move on. Single digits up, single digits down, single digits up, single digits down, single digits up, two single digits down. All right. Look. Let's see what's on sale today, brothers. Doesn't look like much, but if you see something on here you like, it's on sale. Go get it. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Yes. Top 10 losers of the day. Solve, Nulls, Insight Chain, Odom, Crypto.com Chain, VeChain, Zilliqa. Oh, VeChain. Nice. Zilliqa, Nano, Komodo, Tezos. Bang. Top 10 winners of the day. The biggest gains of the day. Who got the most gains? Bang. Oh, yes. These are some robust gains indeed. Look. Top 10 winners of the day, brothers. Dent, Energy, Educare, ABBC Coin, Thor Coin, Bitcoin, Nash Exchange, Dash, Ethereum, and bang, Monocoin. All right. Oh, I know the volume is huge today because people were reporting about it. Holy schmoly, yeah. Okay. Hold on, let me get a sip. Yeah, I remember reading that. Breaking news. All right, crypto market goes over, was it 300 billion? Oh, we went on a lot further than that. Damn, look at this healthy gain. So look, total market cap of the day, brothers. 322 billion. Yes, indeed. 322 billion. And we were at 296.9 billion last night. So what was that? That's a $25 billion jump. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I hope it's just because of the round numbers and we don't see a pullback on this. All right, man. 24-hour volume is at 80 billion even. 80 billion. 80.0. Oh, nice. And yesterday we were at 65.0. So that's a straight up $15 billion jump in volume, coinciding with the, what do we got? $25 billion jump in market. Very healthy indeed. And I like it that it happened. I don't like the $1,000 jumps, but the fact that it happened at the round number, or at 10,000, it doesn't worry me so much. It's not, I mean, who gives a shit? Like I said, we have a flood of money coming, so regardless, we're going to pass the number again anyway. So, look. All right, let's check it out. Cardano hodlers. Boom. I need some fuel. I'm not very hyped. All right. Altcoin news. Cardano successfully launches Shelley Testnet. And that's why this is good. Right? Like, so I can see, I guess people were complaining it was getting delayed or something. Yeah, well, it's better to delay something and come out with a working product later than it is to rush something just for your ego to say you did it on time and then the shit doesn't work. Well, now your ego's really busted because everyone's laughing at you because your thing didn't work, right? What was it, like the Samsung phone? Isn't there some phone that just came out the other day, right? And it flips to close it or something, and the screen kept getting crushed. Yeah, well, now you look like a bunch of idiots. I mean, did anyone not fucking try to use that thing before you shipped them? Well, forget shipping them before you built it. Select. Everyone always remembers your mistakes, right? They never remember your glory days, sort of thing. Unless you're an athlete or something like that. But so better to come out late than never with working products. So Cardano has successfully launched Shelley, which is bang, working product. Let's check it out. So on June 21st, the Cardano Foundation unveiled that Shelley's testnet will be live. The Shelley update is supposed to steer the project to be fully decentralized and autonomous, making it the most decentralized systems there is in the market, with 1,000 staking pools. Towards the end of 2018, Charles Hoskinson, project co-founder, confirmed that Shelley update would be up and running by the first quarter of 2019. Well, after several postponements, the long wait has come to an end, as Shelley's testnet has launched today. Yes, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. Yes, finally, it's alive. All right, so let's check it out. So the Cardano Shelley testnet launched successfully. That's what you'd rather have. You'd rather have a successful launch. Look, if you motherfuckers got to wait a little bit, you're going to have to wait. I'm not going to be looking like a joke coming out with some broke-ass shit. Some broke-ass blockchain. Some broke-ass testnet. Look. Hoskinson, good work, buddy. Yes, and you're my favorite. They're going to talk about it. Quantum proof. Look. Shelley will include various developments. Oh, yes. Now we're getting somewhere. Hold on. Let me get a sip. Yes. Yeah, I didn't even drink anything yet. Fuck, it's like 4 in the morning already. I haven't even... Fuck. I don't know. I was just kind of cleaning up around here and shit like that. It's kind of bored, really. All right. Shelley. Did you guys hear that? Anyway, it sounded like someone was outside my house and they were like, oh, like something happened to them. All right, anyways, none of my business. Look, Shelley will include various developments, including multi-signature transactions. Oh, yes, baby. That's that multi-sig. Multi-sig is institutional grade. Transactions, multi-signature. If you don't have multi-sig, look. That's like Tron. Tron put that stuff in. All right, let's get on with this. Multi-signature wallets, transactions, paper wallets, light client mode, wallet backend, quantum resistance. Yes. Quantum proof. You know what that is? There are these new computers that are coming out. I don't know. One of the brothers was telling me, like, Shmore, man, don't worry about it. It'll be out in about 5 or 10 years. Well, look. But anyways, but the point isn't when it's coming out. The point is they are coming out, and they're badass machines. Yeah, they'll hack a blockchain. They don't give a fuck about your decentralized shit. They'll hack that shit. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. And that's why these guys are getting quantum proof. Right now, IOTA is the only quantum proof thing out there. Yeah, I love IOTA, man. That shit comes quantum proof like that. Look. But yeah, and that's why not Garlinghouse, what's this guy's name? Hoskinson. Sorry about that, Hoskinson. Yes, you're actually doing something. Yeah, they're making this thing quantum resistant now. Remember we read the article? Yeah, and there was some lady at Cardano, and she was like, yeah, well, why are we going to wait? Like, because they were saying, well, the quantum threat isn't going to be around for another five years or more, right? And she's like, well, why wait, like until the threat is here? Like, why not just get ready now? And yeah, we don't even have to worry about it in the future. It's like, yeah, motherfucker. Just get it over with, right? So, bang, I love that quantum proof. Bang, the multi-sig. The more I read about this shit to you guys, the more I want some. But I've already chosen my stuff. Look, if anyone gets naughty in there, though, and fucks around, yes. If anyone in my portfolio gets fucked around, starts fucking around, I will be replacing it with Cardano. Unfortunately, everything I have already generates revenue, so unless they get hacked all to hell or something. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm jib-jabbing. Yes, the fuel's kicking in finally. All right. Quantum resistance. All right. Come on. Networking and human-friendly addresses. Oh, yeah, they're going to do that thing where kind of like, so you know how the internet works, right? When you type in something like www.cnn.com, really, there's an IP address behind that, right? That CNN.com thing is just a human-friendly thing. And so you see how we have, I think this is what's happening. I remember reading this. I think I remember reading something about this. This was like 6 months ago, though. This was even like last year, like 8 months ago. They're going to have human-friendly addresses. So, like if I want to send you money, I don't send it to like this long string of numbers. I'll be able to send it to, Bob at 844-11320. You know what I mean? Like an easy number or an easy thing I can remember, right? Anyways, I'm sure you guys all know this. You all own this crap. Well, it's not crap. It's great, but you all own it. So all of which are features to be incorporated in the update. Yes, brothers. Looks like it's going places. ADA users can now experiment Swift staking and assist in the buildup of a collection of stake pools on Cardano. So with staking, the stakeholders can combine their funds to form a pool on Cardano, which means that more entities can engage in the protocol, thus contributing to maintaining the ledger. All right. This is a great development in preparation for the time when the community will have full responsibility for the blockchain. All right. So the Shelley Testnet is set to be rolled out in phases. The first phase, I'm assuming that's the one that happened today, or began today, will provide the ability to hold a Trust self node. Maybe they said it wrong. I don't know. Self node. Here you can establish basic configuration as you observe how the stake pools operate. On the second phase, the nodes will be unified to form a single testnet, and the final phase delegation and incentive scheme will be added as a way to reward participants for honest participation. So you participate nicely in like a good boy or girl, bang, you're going to get rewarded. Bang, you look. Yes. So there it is, guys. Cardano, man. Finally, right? I guess. Some guy was saying some shit to me, right? Well, about the fact that they didn't roll out their stuff, right? They didn't roll out the thing, and I'm like, yeah, buddy, it's better to exactly what I told you, right? Like it's better to, just take some time and roll out good product, like, yeah. Anyways, I just said that to you anyway. Yeah, but this guy was complaining to me about it. Anyways, there it is. Bang. Cardano successfully launched the Shelley Testnet. It's quantum proof. Bang. It's got multi-sig. Bang. It's coming out in phases. Yes. Bang. Now let's check out some money. So this is our favorite CEO around here, Mike Novogratz. The reason I listen to this guy is because he's actually like I know him from the real markets, like he used to be he was a managing partner at I think Charles Schwab, right? So he like knows stuff, and yeah, so I like to listen to market guys, not crypto nerds talk. So yes, I listen to this guy. Well, I don't listen to him. He said Q1, but he was right. It did start in Q1, didn't it? Because at Q1, we were at 3,000 Bitcoin. Remember, and I kept saying, nah, dogs, Q2, man, end of Q2, May, June, July. But he was right. It did. Technically, he was right. It did start rising, I didn't think that was going to happen. So he was right. We were both right. Damn it. Yes. And that's what I mean, like he's a market guy, so he understands, things take time and shit like that, right? He's a player. So, All right, so now this. Mike Novogratz's Galaxy Digital to launch crypto options contracts trading. Yes. So options are so first of all, this is going to bring liquidity to us. Okay? It's another way to trade stuff. So let me show you guys something. This is I was thinking about telling you guys this before, but I've never said it, so I'm going to say it now. Let's take a share of Microsoft, okay? Do you know that there are multiple ways for you to make money off of Microsoft shares? You can buy the share, and just wait for it to go up, cash out, make money. You can do a futures contract with it, for it, I guess is the way to say it, and make money that way. You can trade it through an ETF, which is another way. This is I'm gonna show you sort of a little bit what options are. It's very complicated though, so I'm gonna just say a little bit. You can trade a Microsoft share through options. You can trade a Microsoft share through swaps. You can get a Microsoft share in your 401k. What else do we got? Swaps, I said. Oh, you can trade a Microsoft contract through CFDs. Those are contracts for difference. Fucking believe me, there's more, man. There's more. So what I'm just trying to show you is, do you see that if I want to make money off of Microsoft, I have 7 ways to do it. Off of Microsoft shares, I have 7 ways to do it, right? And that's what this market, and all the stocks, all of them, Boeing, all of them, Ford, all of them, you can do all that, 7 and more. There's more. They're just out of my brain right now for whatever reason. But yeah, do you see how you can attack an asset? So the asset is the Microsoft share. And if you want exposure, it's called being exposed. If you want exposure in your portfolio, if you want your portfolio to have exposure to that asset, yeah, you can do it through those 7 avenues, right? I want to be exposed to Microsoft. Well, how do you want to be exposed? I like the options route, right? Options give leverage too. Hi, I'd like to do it through a futures contract. Great. Hi, I'd like to do it through a swap. Fine. Hey, I'd like to do it through a CFD. Wonderful, right? You can expose yourself to the Microsoft share price movement through those. Those are called investment vehicles, right? Those are different vehicles, right? They're called investment vehicles. So I only mentioned 7, but believe me, there's more. But those 7 investment vehicles, if I want exposure in my portfolio to Microsoft, I got all those options. And so what I'm trying to say to you is, or what I'm going to try to teach you here is, yeah, that's going to happen to all this crypto. Yeah, when these guys are finished with, when these guys are finished with this place has not even begun to be getting built yet. Okay? These couple little futures and ETFs, that's fuck all. This is fuck all. I mean, it's the beginning though, and that's what we want to see, right? But this is fuck all. Yeah, man, you're going to be able to trade Bitcoin 7 ways, Litecoin 7 ways, Cardano 7 ways, VeChain 7 ways, everybody 7 ways. Like, yeah, man. And more. Like, there's more things. It's just, I just can't think of anything right this very second. I mean, and what does it matter? You get the point, right? With 7 of them. Yeah, that's how it's going to be. And that's why there's so much fucking liquidity, right, in stock markets. Because guys attack the market in different ways. And so now let me explain something else. So I'm a market guy. Well, you guys know I'm a Forex trader. So I'm what's called a derivatives trader. I trade currency derivatives. That's my job. I'm a professional derivatives trader. And that's how I attack a market, right? And, but the guy next to me, yeah, he might be trading Forex as well, but he attacks the market through what I'm about to read to you about right here. Options, right? And then another guy, oh, this shit doesn't let me bang. All right, options, oh, you see the word right there. And then another guy might attack the Forex market, like through a CFD maybe or something like that, right? And so what am I? Okay, so that's that part. Oh, and so in order to get all the liquidity in here into this crypto space, you have to have those investment vehicles for the guys to come and use, right? Like, yeah, if I'm an options guy, yeah, well, until you get options in crypto, I can't do anything, right? I'm a professional options guy. Like, that's what I know how to do, right? So, if there's no options there, I'm not going to put up money to get into the market. But as soon as you offer options as an investment vehicle, bang, well, I'll jump right in that car and start riding that. Do you see what I'm saying? And so it's good that we're hearing new investment vehicles coming online as a whole to bring in more liquidity. And that's what we need. You know, we need that liquidity because the SEC is complaining, right? Price discovery. The market's too illiquid, right? There can be too much shenanigans, market manipulation. Price discovery is not good. The more liquidity, the better. And so things like this, as guys come in with more and more investment vehicles for these, years, I haven't even taken a look at them yet, for these institutional investors to bring us their money, that's liquidity. It all adds up, right? Whether they're in the options market, the ETFs, the futures, whatever. Yeah, it all adds to market cap, which is our liquidity. All right? Do you guys get that? All right? So we want more and more things to come in here. Swaps, fucking all of it. All of those 7 I just said to you, man. We want it all. Yeah, all that liquidity. We need all that liquidity. It's not even just want. We need it. All right, let me have a sip after that explanation. Yeah, so options. Oh, and I said I was going to explain options. Right. Okay, so options are, okay, I'm going to try to give you the textbook thing. I was going to be an options trader when I first started investing, but then I went to Forex instead. So an option is, I buy this thing called an option. So it gives me the option to purchase an asset at a certain price, like at a later time or something. I don't really remember it so well. Like I said, that's why you go to Investopedia. Look, man, I've forgotten more about investing than I could even explain to you. But yeah, and so how they work, like you can do different things. And that's why this is called options. You have many, many options. You can do what's called a straddle. You can do a strangle. You can do a butterfly. You can buy calls, buy puts, sell calls, sell puts. Oh, it's got options to it. That's why it's called options, man. And these guys are genius. Like, these guys are genius. I think Ronkes, son of a bitch, I think he's a options trader, I think he told me. Or CFDs. I don't remember what he said. But anyways, those are options. But look up options. You know, it's a huge, huge market, right? Options markets are huge. All right, so now that you've learned a little bit about markets, let us delve into the story, shall we? Mike Novogratz's crypto investment bank, Galaxy Digital, is expanding its services to offer crypto options contract trading. Yes, industry media outlet The Block reports on June 21st. According to the report, Galaxy Digital's new initiative is made in response, to increasing what? Demand from who? Institutional investors. Institutional investors. In order to hedge the high volatility that is a calling card of crypto assets. Yeah. A lot of guys use options to hedge. Because you can do all these weird little things, man. Like, you can do something where, well, if the price goes here, holy man, you can make so much money on so many different ways and options. Holy. Like, you can bracket a price. Holy man, I can't even explain them all. I don't really remember them too much, and I don't want to sound stupid if I say the wrong thing, so. But you can, like, do all this. They have this thing called butterflies and strangles and butterflies, strangles. Anyways, a bunch of stuff. That's why they're called options, man. There's millions of them. All right, guys, come on. I'll read it. Sorry. Anyways, but about their great hedges, that's right. Because say you're invested in an asset, and then to hedge against it going against you, you buy an option against it. So say I want Microsoft shares to go long. Well, I'll do I don't know which one it is, if it's the butterfly or the tang or the strangle, but you'll do that on Microsoft shares in the options market. So that way, if your Microsoft shares turn on you, all right, you lose the money on that side, but you're making money on your option side. So it's called hedging, right? That's where we get the term hedge your bets. Hedging, right? So you kind of can't lose. Fucking options, guys, man. It's amazing. Like, if you're good at it, it is sort of like you almost can't lose. but that's not true. But I mean, if you're good at it, I'm sure. All right. Bitcoin options are a type of crypto derivative that are a widespread method of profiting from a highly volatile market by strategically hedging risks, such as reducing portfolio risks and, in turn, losses from trading. Exactly. These guys buy options, and maybe the option doesn't even get, I think it's something like it doesn't, maybe your option won't even get triggered, but you don't care because you've made money on that other thing that you used the options for a hedge on, right? So you bought your Microsoft shares and then you hedged with options. You got to pay for those options, but it's fuck all, and so I think it's like a time period. I don't remember exactly how they work, but once the contract is over or whatever, all right, you've made all that money, but you were protected. That's how I learned about options, like as insurance against loss on another asset, right? That's what hedge fund guys do a lot. All right. Hedging risks such as reducing portfolio risk and, in turn, losses from trading. Similar to traditional, that's why it's kind of like they can't lose. Yeah, they lose on their stocks. Yeah, but they make money on the options. And the options are leveraged. All right. Come on, man. All right. I'm getting a little excited about options again. I got to read about that again. Similar to traditional finance, there are two types of crypto options that can be bought: call options and put options. There's way more than that. Calls and puts are just the vanilla shit. Believe me, you'll be able to do all manner of craziness. Respectively, these translate to right to purchase and right to sell the holding at the determined price. Oh, it's at the determined price, not the determined time. Yeah, something like that. I forgot all about it. You try to get gamma, right? And you try to reach zero delta. Options are freaky. Yoshi Nakamura, global head of business development at Galaxy Digital, reportedly claimed that crypto-related businesses such as mining firms and lenders have been expressing more interest to crypto options recently. Makes sense. However, the executive declined to reveal specific numbers about growth of the business, adding that Galaxy's crypto options business is relatively new. Oh, what? It's already open? What are you talking about? Hold on, let me read on a second. According to an executive from crypto investment firm Block Tower Capital, the demand for crypto options has been increasing indeed, which is primarily driven by non-crypto firms. Nice. The regular guys want to get in on this action. Fuck yeah. Olay. Regular options boys want in. Told you. All right. According to an executive from Crypto Invest... Oh, wait, we read that. According to the report, Galaxy is not the only firm, in offering crypto options, with the service being reportedly supported by over-the-counter OTC trading operators such as Acuna Capital and Cumberland, the Chicago-based cryptocurrency trading unit of DRW Holdings, LLC. Oh, DRW's in the game? Oh, that's crazy shit right there, dog. Yeah, OTC. You guys know what OTC is? If you don't, head to Investopedia. As reported earlier today, high volatility is the biggest reason people give up on cryptocurrencies, accounting for 31% of answers from those polled as to why they stopped using crypto. Yeah, they can't handle the heat. They can't handle the heat. I'm a Forex trader. I'm used to volatility. This is all normal to me. But last year, I can imagine, when we had the retail run-up of 2017, regular soccer mom and dad weren't expecting shit like that. They don't understand about shit like that. 10% losses in a day? That's why we had the 2018 crypto, the crypto bloodbath of 2018. Motherfuckers can't handle that. Yeah, they're used to being on E-Trade. Yeah, their Microsoft shares go up, 5 cents, 10 cents a day, a week. Yeah, I mean, they're seeing shit move fucking $200-300 a day. They couldn't handle that shit. Yo, dogs. That's why we had the bloodbath last year. Yeah. That's why we had the bloodbath. Yeah, motherfuckers used to, 5 cents, 10 cents a day. Like if a stock goes up $1 a day, you're like, wow, what a great performance. Right? Yes, yes. So I understand. I mean, of course, if you're just, if you're not a Forex guy, shit. I mean, Forex is the closest thing to this. If you're just a stock guy, oh my gosh. Yeah, that must have terrified the shit out of you, man. No, most of it did. That's why we had the bloodbath of 2018. All right, brothers, let's wrap this one up and show you why our money is here. Hold on. So, and this goes right into the story I'm about to tell you. All right, let me have a sip there. All right, let me do this. Meanwhile, BTC futures, which is another type of crypto derivatives, have briefly broken 10,000 mark today. Obviously, this guy wrote this before we got to bang. Look. Yes. And so Mark today on the Crypto's Mercantile Exchange, and seeing as he brought up the Crypto Mercantile Exchange, the CME, boom, that's what we're going to talk about right here. CME Bitcoin futures briefly broke 1,000. Oh, they're not briefly. I guarantee you at this very moment as we speak. Look. Hold on, let me even give someone a good look. Yes. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh, anyone, if these guys, like these European guys, our European brothers, I sure hope you guys are in some of that BitMEX and that OKX 100 times leverage futures, motherfuckers. Do you know how much, if we had that here in America, and I'm telling you, brothers, as soon as that shit lands here, I am all over it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We would have made, tens of thousands of dollars, like even just today, depending on how much futures you bought, right? But, man, at 100 times leverage, look. $100 in one day, dog. Motherfucker. There's dudes, they make millions a day. Yes, a day. I mean, obviously, they're not regular guys like you and me. I mean, they're institution guys, hedge fund guys. But I mean, yeah, man, like at 100 times leverage. Oh, go to Investopedia and read about leverage, man. Leverage is going to be, once we get it here for some crypto, yeah, you're going to fucking understand what I'm talking about. All right, but let's just stay with what we have now. So what we have now are CME Bitcoin futures briefly broke the 10,000 amidst a new all-time high. All right. We read that already. All right. Look. Bitcoin futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange briefly broke 10,000 on Friday, June 21st, according to data from trading and analytics platform TradingView. Oh, remember that? Remember on one of those, double digits up, double digits down day? Not double digit. What do we do it called? Top 10 winners, top 10 losers part of the overview at the beginning of the show. Remember that one day a few weeks ago that BTC won? Remember it went, remember we read about it and it was like 300%? And you see this? I don't know. Hold on. All right, I'm not going to say anything because I heard that the BTC one thing was a bullshit thing. But this is their futures contract here. So, all right, man, I'm not going to talk about it. Okay, so BTC futures reached a new high for 2019, around $10,050, breaking 10,000 for the first time since early March 2018, when Bitcoin was trading above 11,000 per coin. The new 2019 record has grown in line with the new highs of CME Bitcoin futures total open interests. Open interests are how many futures contracts are open. All right. So a futures contract ends at a certain date, right? So these are open ones still. They haven't been closed. And you want to know about futures, again, go to Investopedia and read about futures contracts. Telling you guys, you got to learn all this stuff, man. I taught everybody already, but if you're new, you got to go do that. So you can get the full robustness of what we're talking about here. Right? I bring you market news. I don't bring you that bullshit talk. I bring you market stuff. I'm a market killer, so I bring you market killer talk. So look, well, if you want to be one, you got to learn it. Look, so the open interest has reportedly reached around 273 million after the CME reported new all-time highs of 5,311 contracts totaling 256 million earlier this week. Exactly. That's why, remember, I told you earlier this week, I was like, yeah, I was going to tell you about the CME thing. Yeah, and then every day they keep saying, hey, we're at a new all-time high, a new all-time high. And that's why today I just finally read it, because it's like, I'm assuming some people know about it. They're like, why isn't Shamari talking about the futures thing? Oh, it's like, I'm not going to do that every day, though. Right? Like, come on. We know that these futures, the institutions are coming for them, right? And so they'll be telling us about new all-time highs every day. So I'm not going to, I mean, I guess I could have something at the end of the show called, like, Futures Watch or something. Yeah, but we can't read about this bullshit every day. But it is good bullshit, because that's our liquidity right there, son. Oh, and that's what I wanted to show you. Yeah. Where's all this liquidity coming from? Probably that shit right there I'm reading to you. Yeah, that's big money talk, right? CME futures, that's big money business, right? Let's do a little refresh. Let's just see what it did since I've been talking. Bitcoin went up a little. Oh, we got 0.4 billion while I've been talking. What were we at? But the volume went down. All right, look, just curious. Where were we, guys? Open interest, blah, 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 the contracts. At the time, the CME stressed that the OI spike, open interest spike, came amid increased popularity from institutional investors. So that they're saying it. They're like, yeah. We have institutions buying our stuff right now. And so here's this chart. I'm a fan of charts, love charts. I love the visual representation of information. Yes, makes it easier to absorb in the brain. For me, anyway. And so, yeah, look at the open interest. I mean, and this is, look at the dates. That's what, May 24th, June 1st, June 7th, June 16th. And look at, bang, look, bang, look, bang. Yeah, notice anything? Yeah, sort of looks like the price of our Bitcoin, doesn't it? You damn right it is. You damn right it is. Oh, my gosh, brothers. Wait until Backed gets here. You motherfuckers. Yo, man. With physically settled futures, because remember this, so I want to tell you this. The CME futures, these ones here, these are cash settled. So it brings us liquidity while the contracts are open, but it's actually as soon as they close the contract, they get the money and they take it, the money's out. Right? So it actually, takes money out of the total market cap. Right? And yeah. And so that's the beauty of what Backed is going to do is, when the contract is over, that money stays here. Yeah, here's your Bitcoin, buddy. Yeah, physically settled. Yeah, the money stays with us. Here's your Bitcoin, sir. Yes, physically settled. Oh, man, that's going to be so great. That's going to be so great. So a Bitcoin futures contract is an agreement to purchase or sell Bitcoin on a specific future date, that's what they're called, futures, at a specific price. Yeah, right? So you tell a guy, I'll buy a Bitcoin. Well, where are we at? All right, 10,700. I don't know. So you tell the guy, I'll buy a Bitcoin off you for 11,000 in 2 months. Yeah, and if the guy says okay, then fine. Yeah, but the price of Bitcoin might be like 12 G's by then. So you win, right? You're the winner of that transaction there. But the difference with the that's for money, but the difference with the backed one is, you're going to be like, bang, bang, I'm going to pay this at this price. Back says, okay. And then when the date comes, Back says, all right, well, here's your Bitcoin, buddy. Yes, taking them out of the market. Yes, creating what? Scarcity. Yes. Yes, less supply, more demand. Look. All right, brothers. I hope you understand the power of what that Back thing's going to do. Oh, and there will be many Backs around the world eventually. Look. All right, CME Group became the second global exchange to list Bitcoin futures for trading back in December 2017. I told you that was one of the reasons I even got into crypto. When I saw the CBOE and the CME launch Bitcoin futures, I was like, what? Oh, this shit's real like this? And then I told you the true thing that made me get into Bitcoin. Yeah, December 2017. Yeah. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash were put on the Bloomberg terminals. Well, once I saw that, I'm a market killer. I know what that means. These boys are coming to slaughter this place. Oh, they're coming to eat this whole place up. That's why I ran in here real quick and just come on, accumulate before they get here. That's the truth. It was because of the CME and the CBOE futures and the Bloomberg terminal thing. If I didn't see those, I probably wouldn't have even come here. Because I got to see that things are real. I don't give a fuck about little retailers. Look, so I've told you that story before. CME Group became the second, right? They became the second a week after the launch of BTC futures. The Chicago Board's options exchange, the CBOE. Yeah, when I saw those, right, the CME did theirs. A week later, the CBOE did theirs. I was like, get the fuck out of here. Because they're like the CBOE and the CME. Yeah, that's like the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange. But I think it's for commodities, right? Well, the options exchange is for options, but I think they're sort of commodity-ish. They're over there in Chicago. Anyways, though, holy. In March 2019, CBOE announced that they will not add a new Bitcoin futures market, citing reevaluation of its approach to trading digital assets. So the CBOE actually shut down theirs. I think it's at the end of this month. So meanwhile, the CME has seen notable growth in Bitcoin futures trading on its platform recently, having recorded a new all-time high in the number of open contracts, open interest in early June. Earlier in May, CME reported that it was the biggest trading month for Bitcoin futures trading. All right, so they got a record in May, and then they beat that record in June. We'll hear the numbers for this. Oh, this is June. We're still in June. All right. Yeah, well, they've already beaten the numbers. Damn, the month's not even over. Nice. So, blah, 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 blah. And that's just the price of Bitcoin, but obviously Bitcoin's at 8,700 or 10,700 now. So, bang, brothers, that's why our future, professionals are coming in. What do we got? We got Novogratz telling us he's getting the yap. What did I tell you guys? I told you that's why Backed, I don't remember the guy's name on Backed, the CEO of Backed, but yeah, that's why he's self-certifying. Yeah, he's here in the yap at the country club, man. Yo, dog, when are you going to bring us this, the fucking futures, man? We want in. Look at the price. Come on, brother. Yeah, man, they're just regular guys too. Like, they hear yap, right? Novogratz is coming out and, shit like that. And so this is where the money's coming from. Well, not the only place. I mean, there's other, obviously also retail investors, I'm sure, are coming in here now that the price is going back up again. And so that's why this is going to be sustained growth. That's why last year's thing, we talked about it here, but if you're new, right, it was a bloodbath, right? It was because it was all retail investors, what we call weak hands. Yeah, they're not used to shit like that. Like I said, that's some fucking soccer mom and dad, and they're used to their little E-Trade account, and fucking, it moves 5-10 cents a day. Yeah, well, shit's moving 5-10, 500, $1,000 a day. Yeah, they can't handle that mental stress. And, obviously they didn't know that there's a tsunami on the way, and so they ran away. Yeah, well, why were we buying all last year? Yeah, well, we know there was a tsunami, so I don't care about the price right now. I'm just waiting for the tsunami because it'll drive it way past all-time highs later on, right? It doesn't matter what the price is now. And so, brothers, look, that's it. Our money is here, and Novogratz is going to bring some more money for us. Look. Let's get shout-outs. Oh, speaking of shout-outs, look at this. Blockchain Stallion. So I was looking at her Twitter, and she had this little link here pulling me in. I was like, what is that? Look. Bang. Stallion. She wrote a book. Yeah, man. Blockchain Stallion's an author. She writes books. Wow. And she also has a regular job because I've seen her. She showed me a video of her, and she was wearing like a postal service uniform or something. But look, she wrote a book. So Stallion, congratulations. Everyone give a round of applause to our crypto girl. Bang, bang. She writes books. Boom. She makes music. Bang. And she's invested in crypto. Yeah. All right. Shout outs. Look. Oh, son of a bitch. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yeah. Love you, Ronkaz. Oh, he's the actual stock guy. Watching the paint dry. He's the stock guy. I think he trades CFDs, but I think he said he trades options sometimes too. Yeah, options are leveraged actually too, and it's cheaper. That's why I was going to trade options, because when I first started, when I wanted to be a professional investor, I didn't have money, right? I didn't have much money, and so I couldn't start my trading life with stocks. It was too expensive. So then I learned about options, because options, it's cheaper. Like, you're still trading stocks, but it's cheaper, and you make more money because they're leveraged. Anyway, I think that's what this guy does. I think Ronkus said he does some options. What do you got? Look at this guy. Bang, just Navina. Boom. See you, brother. All right. Miniam. Look. Bang, love you, brother. Bitcoin Kong. Bang, love you, brother. See you, brother. Yes, moon landing, 420. Yes. I have to do a little 420 at the end of the show here. Bang, see you, brother. Zoe, Ziv. Yes. Bang, see you, brother. Nope. Bren C. Bang. Oh, you still got the shades on indoors, girl, looking like a spy. Look. See you, girl. Bang. Here's, and here she is. Bang. An author. An artist. A worker bee. An investor. Yes. She's multi-talented. Multi-gifted. Blockchain stallion. Bang. Look. See you. Yes. Look. Oh, Biniam. Bang. One more. Why not? What did Biniam say here? Royal Bank of Scotland onboards former Circle exec to head its financial stuff. All right. We'll see what that turns out to be. And that was this one here. Bang, bang, bang. Futures that I just read to you. Look. My favorite meme. Look. What's going down? Yes, Bitcoin futures are at an all-time high, and Mike Novogratz bringing some options. You know what that means, motherfuckers? Look. Your portfolio. Boom. Look. And don't you ever forget July 22nd. Here it comes. Bang. We're going to have the big old big monster backed with some boom on July 22nd. Only a month away, brothers. 30 days from now. Look. All right. Calm down, Shmai. All right, what do we got? Crypto Bridgie, bang, see you, girl. I haven't seen you for a little while, man. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back. Where you been? There's Edwin. What is he saying? Oh, yeah, this shit. Edwin, bang, see you, brother. Oh, this shit. Hold on, let me see. Are they saying this thing again? Right. Oh, okay. All right, fuck all that. Look. All right. Let's move on. Van Breenet. All right, we're not going to talk about his mom tonight, though. We talked about her last night. Well, we didn't talk about her. She gave us a little story. But there's no story tonight. So look. Van Breenet. Yes, one more. Van Breenet. Yes, you got to shake it. Van Breenet. Yes, brother. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. DP Entertainment. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Ryan, look. Bang. Poppy Wood. Bang. Oh, I see Poppy Wood. Now I looked at your shit. What is that? He's got, it's like some S&M thing. She's got some, I think it's called a ball gag or something. I'm not too much into S&M, but I know some people that are. I think it's called a ball gag, and I think what he's trying to do is show that, I think that's Mark Zuckerberg. Yes, it is. Now I see the picture. You sick bastard. So that's Mark Zuckerberg with his sex slaves. Yeah. Now I get what you're trying to show, man. I was like, what the fuck? Now I get it. Yeah. See, she's got a ball gag. And anyway, whatever, man. So that's what Poppy Wood did. Poppy Wood. Bang, you sick motherfucker. Bang, love you, brother. Yes, the darkness. Yes, the darkness is present. Thank you, darkness. Justin. Bang. Yes. Robert. Oh, Robert. Yes. See you, brother. Bang. What do you got? Crypto Double G. Bang. One more. Blockchain promoter, bang, yes, let's get back to wives and lives. Yes, bang, and bang, yes. All right, brothers. So that was a great show. Obviously, it's the greatest show on earth. Hard not to be. I try. Look. All right. Oh, so guys, Cardano, bang, the Shelley launch was a success. And that's what you want. Hey, you want success, man. You don't want everybody writing and reading about how your thing failed, how it's all screwed up, how, whatever the problem might be. Oh, it's susceptible to this attack or that attack, or the code screwed up here or there. Like, yeah, take your time and come out with a working product, which is what Cardano did. Yeah, because they're a bunch of smarty pants over there. Told you. Those guys are like PhD guys. Yeah, they're not stupid. You know what I mean? They're like, we don't give a fuck about this tech nerd shit where I have to get it out at some certain date. Nah, I'm going to bring out good working product. And the best working product there is. Yeah, so Cardano lovers, look, Shelley hodlers, or Cardano hodlers, bang, yes, quantum proof, bang. You always say that. Yes. Mike Novogratz, bringing options. I told you about options. It's another investment vehicle. Told you, bang, investment vehicles. Options are one of them that bring in bang, bang, liquidity, bang, bang, money, bang, bang, yes. And we need that liquidity. Why? So the SEC will give us approvals, proper approvals for ETFs and futures. Once the liquidity problem is, the price manipulation problem is over with. The only way you can guard against price manipulation is having so much money that someone can't manipulate the price. So every single bit of liquidity we can get is valuable. I'm telling you. All right, so options are another thing of liquidity. So good, here it comes. And then finally, Bitcoin futures at all-time high. Yeah, well, we looked at it. That's where our money's coming from. And this time our money's coming in from institutional investors. This ain't no 2017 mom and pop weekend shit. This is the real deal now, like I've been telling you all last year. Right? The big boys are coming this time, and this time it's here to stay. Well, and that's why I keep telling you, buy. Right? Accumulate. Because if you think prices are going to go, but Schmoller, man, hopefully we can get down to 3,000 and get on the Bitcoin. You're fucking crazy, buddy. That is never happening. That's never happening again. Everywhere we go up from now, yeah, that's the last time you're going to see that price. I guarantee you, I'll tell you right now. And so, bang, Bitcoin futures at an all-time high, dragging up the rest of the market with it. And again, all-time high futures means more money in futures, which means what? More liquidity in the market. That's what I care about right now. Liquidity. And so that's what you should all care about. And so, yeah, more avenues of liquidity and all-time high, guys. So great. Let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives. Bang, and live. So look. Subscribe below. Press the notification button. The bell. And you'll get a notification whenever I do these videos. Guys, my name's Shamar Clark. Love doing this. Love talking money. Love talking crypto. Yes. Bang. It's the favorite time of my day. So, guys, I shall see you next week at the end of the weekend. So, for the weekend, have a good time. Have some good food, some good laughs, some good fun. Look. My name's Shamar Clark. Bang. I'm always on duty. Yes, indeed. Over and out.